So if you've been wondering how to deposit funds into your Meritrade account, and you've been also wondering how to buy stocks using the Meritrade account or the Meristem account, right? So I'll be showing you how to do that today. So I already have my account registered, properly registered, and I will be signing in. So it just takes less than a few seconds to sign in. Good. So this is my Meristem account. Now, if I want to deposit money into the account, I'll just come to this point. Click on deposit. Very simple. So you just copy. Once you open the Meristem account, you'll be given a virtual account number, right? So that account number is the number that you'll be transferring money to whenever you want to, deposit money into your Meristem wallet to purchase stock with, right? So you copy the account details, you take it to your bank app, you know how to make transfers, right, from your bank app. So once you do that, your funds automatically appear in your dashboard. So I just did this afternoon. So your fund automatically appears in your dashboard. Now, how do you trade? How do you trade? You just come to this point and you click on trade now. So when you click on trade now, you search. Maybe you already have a company in mind, right? You can just maybe scroll through the company, or maybe if you had the company's name in mind. For today, I'm going to be purchasing some unit share of the Nigerian Police Force Microfinance Bank PLC. Yeah, and now how am I going to trade? Now I'm going to look at the bid and the offer. So the bid here is telling you the price that buyers are willing to buy this particular stock in the market, and it's also showing you the price at which sellers are willing to sell the stock in the market. So currently, the highest buyer in this market wants to buy 146,000 shares of the the Nigeria Police Force Microfinance Bank shares for 3 naira 90 kobo, and we have the highest seller here wanting to sell for 4 naira 5 kobo. So you see that the execution is based on they've all set their limits buy on what they want to buy, right? So I currently want to buy this share, and I don't want to buy it at market order. I want to buy at limit order. So I'll type in the name of the shares I want to buy, MPF Microfinance Bank. Now the quantity I want to buy. So I want to buy 2,700 shares. My price type will be limit order. My order, I want to hold this order for 10 days. No, 10 days is too much. So let me say 7 days. I want to hold this order for 7 days. Now I come here to the limit price. The limit at which I want to buy this price, this trade. After I've done my entire technical analysis, I want to buy this stock at 3 naira 80 kobo. Yeah, I want to buy it at 3 naira 80 kobo. So I submit my order. Oh, it's saying insufficient funds for buy order. So I have insufficient funds. So rather, let me reduce it. Let me say I want to buy at 3 naira 70 kobo, and let me submit, because I really want to buy 2,700 worth of shares. I still do not have enough funds. So let me reduce the amount. Let me say I want to buy 2,500 worth of shares for 3 naira 70 kobo. So I click on submit. Voila, yeah. So I have purchased, and I'll be charged 9,430 naira for this order. Now it's a limit order. So the moment there's a seller in the market that wants to sell at 3 naira 70 kobo, this trade will automatically execute. So I submit, confirm my trade. Now my trade is done. So you can go here, click here, and then you see my trade orders, right? Yeah, so this is it here. This is it here, executing. So once it's done, you would see executed here. This executing changes to executed. So join me as I show you how to invest in various investment platforms. Do have a nice day. Bye.